When did the medieval period, Middle Ages, roughly begin? What event marked the beginning of the medieval period? Which English document limited the king's power in 1215? Who led the Norman conquest of England in 1066? What was the dominant system of land ownership in medieval Europe? What was the name of the deadly plague that struck Europe in the 14th century? Who was crowned the first Holy Roman Emperor in 800 AD? Which war lasted from 1337 to 1453 between England and France? What were the military campaigns to reclaim the Holy Land from Muslims called? What is a serf? What is a fief in the feudal system? What structure served as both fortress and residence for lords? What was the language of education and religion in medieval Europe? Who was Joan of Arc? What powerful institution influenced all aspects of medieval life? What were medieval knights expected to follow? What were the series of religious courts called that tried heretics? Which invention helped spread knowledge at the end of the Middle Ages? What was the main purpose of a guild in medieval towns? Who invaded England in 1066 from Normandy?